Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this AMSKY Breathable silicone bands, which is compatible with the Apple Watch 44, 45, 49, 42, 41, 40 and 38 millimeters. There are on the market two different sizes of it. You can choose between the 38, 40 and 41 millimeter band and the 42, 44, 45 and 49 millimeter band. So the first step is you have to look on your Apple Watch which dimension it will be. It stands on the back side of the clock itself. Then it's for man and woman. It's a sports replacement strap and it's compatible with all Apple watches SE 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1 series because they are compatible with that. These AMSKY Sports Breathable silicone straps are compatible with the Apple Watch and all of the kind. We check the size on the back of our watch to choose the right size before we choose our strap itself. It's available in red and green and black. It's available in red, black, blue and pink, or black, rainbow, white and rainbow. Here it shows in black, coffee and brown. We can also choose black, coffee and brown as shown here. That means it's a brown feeling. And the other is sort of a black in the holes of the strap. It is a little bit darker, and on the facing on the halo of it, it's like a coffee. You can also choose black and blue, or black, white and black, or straight light and milk tea, brown and milk tea, white and black, straight black and milk tea too. The second design here, that means this Apple Watch SE strap is different from the similar straps on the market. They have taken a thickened design that makes it more durable, the texture and safer. It's not only suitable for men, but also perfect for women who like the sense of security. And we have breathable and multiple colors on the market. The holes of the Apple Watch strap makes this wrist more breathable and comfortable, especially when we're sweating. The two mixed colors makes our watch more fashionable and sporty. They have just launched some colors such as different starlight, red, green, brown and milk tea. And it's really easy to install. You see it. The 44, 45, 49 and 42 millimeter size fits on 6.1 inches up to 8.2 inches models. That means 150 millimeter up to 200 millimeter width. The 38, 40 and 41 millimeter size fits 5.1 inches to 7.1 inches with the 130 millimeter up to 180 millimeter width. It comes with a completely new design of the strap buckle. More securely lock the straps and durable. This avoids the watch from dropping. And it's easy to attach it on our arm and to remove it easily. It's only one button operation. And it looks really cool because it's not so expensive like the original ones on the market. It's a pack of two in this case. It's also available in bigger package on the market too. And it's really breathable because of the holes in it. And if you use a little bit another colors, it looks so fantastic. It's really cool because you can change it in, I think, 5 seconds. And then you can wear every day another color bands. It's possible. We will get this in different colors for our Apple Watch. It's really cool. It comes with a double function. That means we have the button to lock the band around our width, and we have two loops where it will get in position too. So it's so comfortable to wear, but it's safe at the same time, because AMSKY makes here a double safety system with it. It's really cool and looks awesome. These are the AMSKY Breathable silicone bands, sport replacement straps for our Apple Watch, and nearly all models are compatible with it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.